Welcome to HAD6 channel. In this video, we will look into unity. 6 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Cohesion. Which means the action or fact of forming a united whole. Cohesion. For example, rewarding individuals breaks the cohesion in the group. Number 2. Identity. Which means a close similarity or affinity. Identity. For example, an identity between the company's own interests and those of the local community. Number 3. Integrity. Which means the state of being whole and undivided. Integrity. For example, internal racial unrest threatened the integrity of the Federation. Number 4. Coherence. Which means the quality of being logical and consistent. Coherence. For example, this raises further questions on the coherence of state policy. Number 5. Congruence. Which means agreement or harmony. Congruence. For example, he took care that there should be congruence of meaning and sound in his music. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.